Hello everybody, welcome to today's class. Here we have this radical equation that has to do with cube root. Here the question says solve the cube root of x plus the cube root of x minus 16 equal to the cube root of x minus 8. So how do we solve this for the value of x? So here we take a solution. Do not forget to subscribe because here we bring out new videos every day, at least one video. And any of the days we fail to release a video, the next day expect two. Okay, so here how do we solve this? The best thing to do here is just to eliminate this radical by taking the cube root of both sides. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to have here the cube root of x plus the cube root of x minus 16, okay, all to the power of 3. This is equal to a cube root of x minus 8 all to the power of 3. Okay, so this and this will leave the system. Now, if we take the cube of this, what will this give us? Now, we have an algebraic identity which says that if you have your a plus your b all to the power of 3, this is equal to a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 plus 3ab bracket a plus b. Okay, so this is what we're going to use to handle the right hand side or the left hand side of the picture. So we want to express this expression here now in this format. So what does that mean? It means this is our a and this is our b. Okay, so if we have to open up everything, so this is going to give us here our cube root of x, okay, all to the power of 3, which is this, then plus our b, which is this, we have cube root of x minus 16, right, all to the power of 3, okay, plus, look at our 3, we have here 3 into, so we're going to have here cube root of x, right, the bracket, then we have our b to be then to the cube root of our x minus 16 bracket, which is this now. Everything into our a plus b. What is our a plus b? Look at what we have here. This is our a, this is our b. So a plus b is equal to this. Here, bracket our x cube root rather x minus 8 close bracket. Everything equal to, look at what we are left with here. So we have here x minus 8. Okay. So the work is easier now. So we can now, this will go with this will go with this. So we now have our x plus x minus 16 plus, here we are having this times this times this, and we are having cube root. So it is easy. So we now have our 3 into our x here. Okay, but let's bring that, let's take cube root first. We have our cube root here, and we have our x into our x minus 16, so bracket x minus 8 bracket all close. This is equal to x minus 8. Alright, so this will go with this. So we can now move everything here to this other side, the remaining quantity. So we have here our 3. So put this in bracket, the cube root of our x, the bracket x minus 16, close bracket x minus 8, close bracket. Okay, I'll close our bracket here. This is equal to minus 8. This comes to this side, turns to minus x. This comes to this side, turns to plus 16. Okay, so again, we're going to have our 3 into cube root here of our x into x minus 16, bracket x minus 8, bracket. 13 equal to this plus this will give us our positive 8 minus x. Now, if you look at this, you discover that here we are having x minus 8. So I want to bring x minus 8 on this side of the equation. Can we do something like that? Yeah, very easy. It's just a matter of rewriting this. So that can be expressed as a bracket cube root of our x bracket x minus 16 bracket x minus 8 bracket close. This is equal to minus bracket our x and minus 8. If we use this to open this will give us minus x plus 8. Okay, that has not really changed anything. Okay, but we have to eliminate this radical, which is this cube root. So we cube both sides of the equation. Okay, so let's cube this side. We call it cube this side also. All right. So if we do that, this cube will affect this separately. It will also affect this separately. And so the cube of 3, that's 3 to the power of 3, that will give us 27. So we're going to have here 27, okay, the bracket. This will go with this. So we're now left with x, right, into our x minus 16, close bracket, bracket x minus 8, close bracket, okay, of bracket close. This is equal to, we use minus 1 to multiply minus 1, go 3 places, this will still give us minus 1. Into, we have our x minus 8 all to the power of 3. We are going to open that same. How do we need to open this? No, we don't need to open this because here we have x minus 8 and here we have x minus 8. So we're going to move into this side and factor it out. Okay, so let's go on. We cannot use this to multiply this. So write this to be 27x bracket x minus 16 close bracket bracket x minus 8 close bracket. This is equal to our minus bracket x minus 8 all to the power of 3. Okay, like I said earlier on, let's move this quantity to this side so that we can factor it out. So we have 27x into x minus 16 close bracket bracket x minus 8 close bracket. This will turn to plus, so we have here plus our bracket x minus 8 all to the power of 3 equal to 0. So what we do, all we just have to do is that here we have x minus 8 and here we have x minus 8. So we can factor that out, right? So let's factor that out. So we now have here x minus 8 close bracket into our square bracket. We use this to divide this will leave the system. So now let it 27x into our x minus 16 close bracket, then plus, then we'll be left with 2 of these. We'll have your bracket x minus 8 all to the power of 2. So our square bracket, this is equal to 0. Or I will learn something. Okay, so what we do at this stage here now, we can go ahead to open up this bracket here now. So if we open that, that will give us our x minus 8 with bracket to a square bracket 27x the bracket x minus 16 with bracket plus. If we open up this is going to give us our x to the power of 2 minus let's write it down, x to the power of 2 minus this 8 plus 8 16. So we have 16x, okay, plus 8 square will give us 64 close bracket, okay, and our square bracket is equal to 0. Ooh. So we look carefully. What do you observe from the system here? We can now use this to open up this other side also. Yes? Yeah, we can do that now. So we have here x minus 8 close bracket, the bracket. This time this will give us 27x minus 27x times minus 16. That will give us 432x, right? Yeah, so we have minus 432x then plus our x to the power of 2 minus 16x Plug 64, close our bracket equal to 0. Now have your bracket x minus 8 close bracket bracket. Oh, sorry, here is our square, please. Okay, so we can add this and this together to give us our 28 x to the power of 2. Okay, then we have here 432x, then minus 16x. That will give us a minus, they will give us 8 there. Here we have 1. So 4, 4, 8, x. Okay, the plus our 64 close bracket is equal to 0. So from here, you discover we have two cases from here now. Okay, from our zero product rule. Okay, so here we have this equal to this and this equal to this. So we're going to take our case 1. Case 1, or case 1 is just our x minus 8 equal to 0, which now implies that our x is equal to 8. This is our x1. Okay, so here we have our x1 to be a positive 8. So we'll go ahead to solve for our x2 and x3 from here. So we'll take our case 2. Case 2. Case 2 we have our 28 x to the power of 2 minus 4, 4, 8 x log 64 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, but before we solve this quadratically, we discover that something is common to these numbers we have in I believe 4. 4 can divide everything through. Okay, so let's divide through by 4 first. So reduce this figure, so divide this by 4, divide this by 4, equally divide this by 4. Okay, so 4 here 1, 4 here will give us 7. So we have here 7 x to the power of 2 minus 4 here 1, 4 here will give us 2 x there plus 4 here 1, 4 here will give us 16. So we have here 16 equal to 0, because 4 all over 0 all over 4 will give us 0. So this is a quadratic equation. How do we get the value of x2 and x3? So we solve using the quadratic formula. So here we say using the formula method, using the formula, we're going to have our x equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac, everything all over 2a. Just bring out the value of a, b, and c to this equation, and we solve it. So here we have our a. We have our a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, which is 7. Then our b is the coefficient of x, which is our minus 112. And our c is the constant term, which is 16. Okay, so from here, we can go ahead and put these values into this equation. So we're going to have our x is equal to minus, look at our b here. So we have here minus 112 bracket plus minus the square root. So again, our b, we put it inside here, minus 112 all to the power of 2 minus our 4. Our a is 7, our c is 16. So bracket everything all over 2 into 7. Oh, okay. So we go again. So this will give us here plus 112 plus minus square root. Now what is the square root of minus 112? And that will give us 12, 12, 5, 4, 4. And minus, so 4 times every time 16 will give us our 4, 4, 8. Okay, everything all over 2 times 7 will give us 14. Okay, so we're almost there. 112 plus minus 2. If we subtract this from this will give us 12096 all over 14. Ah, this is a huge number. So this number is not a perfect square. So we think of breaking this number down. If we can get the perfect square from it, yes, we can. So if we do that, this is going to give us here our 112 plus minus square root of, yeah, we're going to have 576 times 21 all over 14. 576 is a perfect square. Okay, yeah, it's a perfect square. So what is the square root of 576? That will give us 24. So this will come out. So this is going to give us 112 plus minus 24. So the square root of 21, everything all over 14. We can use something to divide each of them, or better still, this can go into the whole of this. But here we're going to have some only two that can go into this. So let's separate this. This could be written as our 112 all over 14, the plus minus of 24 root 21 all over 14. So we can easily divide out here. So 14 here 1 and 14 here give us 8. So this 8 please. So this is going to give us here our 8 plus minus this our equal to here. Then 2 here will give us 7, 2 here will give us 12. So here we now have here 12 root 21 all over 7. Good. So we are getting there right now. So we can split our answer to give us here our x2 will now be equal to our 8 plus 12 all over 7, the root 21, and our x 3 is equal to 8 minus 12 all over 7 root 21. So what are the three roots? So therefore, we cannot say our three roots. We have our x1 is equal to, look at our x1 here. Here we solve our x1 to be 8. So we have this to be our 8. The x2, we've already solved for here already, which is this. So we have the 8 plus 12 all over 7, the root of 21. And x2, x3 rather, this is equal to 8 minus 12 all over 7, the square root of 21. So these are the three roots to our radical equation, okay, which is this. All right, so if you learn something from this video tutorial, give the video a thumbs up. And if you are not clear with any of these steps, then do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Again, this is Math Prowess, and we are here. We love you. So keep watching Math Prowess. Remember, all of us here, we love you for watching our content all the time. Stay blessed. Bye.